Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell beside it for you to get notified whenever I upload new videos in this channel. Paano umutang ng load sa smart and token text? Ito yung tutorial. First step, dial nitong *123# or hashtag. And then makikita nyo ito ang data, power all 50, power all giga, double giga, coming soon. All data, all net, and then number 9 is balance and services. Ang kiklik nyo dyan is yung number 9, balance and services. And then dito click nyo is yung number 5, smart credit. And hindi makikita nyo, meron kayo pamimilian dito for China Tax 5. So, kayo nang bahala kung ano yung pipiliin nyo load na gusto nyong utangin dito sa Smart and Tax. That is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to click subscribe.